So open my data set. So to do that, I'm going to click on data. Then I'm going to click on get data sets, right? And from file, so you might want to jot this procedure as well
From
because
data,
it is. Then you click on
you said
um
you're gonna click on data, then you're gonna click on get data
yes. Then I'm going to click on from file.
from file. Okay.
Then you want to click on from text.csv file. Depending if your data set is in Excel format, which is .xls. That is, if your data set
Mm.
ends with .xls, you might want to jot this down as well because you'll be needing it as well for analytical purposes. And if you do you then further to concept of databases, because the format in which the data set is matters a lot. So
Right.
I'm going to be dictating some things. Excel format is in .xls. So I mean the Excel data type is saved as .xls.
Mm-hmm.
CSV file, if it is called a comma separated values, is saved as .csv. You also
CSV.
letter C,
Uh-huh.
SV.
And this is what kind of file?
CSV file, comma separated value. So
Separative
value.
value. EXL. You already know that's Excel. Okay. And you're about to open the Excel data set employee unclean, right?
Yes, the unclaimed data set, but it's in CSV file, not in Excel file. So I'm going to click on from text stroke CSV. CSV. So there are so many data formats that we have. We have JSON for JavaScript. You have XML if your data set is in HTML format, and so on and so
Mm-hmm.
forth. But I'm not going to be buttressing on those ones. I'm really focusing on Excel and CSV file throughout the course of this training. So I'll click on this. We are working with our point of data set. So I'll go to my downloads and I'll look for it. Okay, so this is it, furniture sales, and I'll click on it. So I've sent you the data set on your Gmail as well. You might as well check it. So I sent it to you before the class, and I wrote Power Query and pivot table. So let's see this. Yeah, but the last one,
You sent three,
which
right?
I wrote this data set to study the concept of pivot tables in Excel. So that is the data set furniture sales, and you can see it ends with a CSV, indicating that it is a comma separated value data set.
Got you. Oh, let me try to pull it up here. Get data. CSV. Let's download it. Furniture sales. Get data. Next.
So you can import
Uh,
into worksheet. So that is where the data cleaning process begins. So it's just sometimes. Okay. Okay. So you get to this screen. Just let me know so I can continue. So it's not like I'm going to first. Alright. So you click on transform data.
all right. CSV. Get data. Hit next. I'm at
So
the
it's going
same
to
screen.
open another worksheet called a Power Query. So that is where you begin your data cleaning and everything.
Transform data.
So it's why it looks.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Right. So the first thing we are going to check uh, is the data type. So as you can see, we have the order ID, the order date, the ship mode, the customer ID, customer name, the customer segment, the country, the city, the state, the postal codes, the region, the subcategories. All right. So first, we need to remove the row ID because we do not need it because we already have a unique identifier, which is the order ID. So in most cases, we do not need this row ID, and we might want to remove it. Row ID because row ID is you're just basically counting. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Uh, we- so we have the order ID and we have the customer ID, which is uniquely identifying each particular person. So we do not need the row
The
ID
customer
anymore
ID.
because it's basically useless and is part of data cleaning because we do not
Talking
need
about the
it
customer
and therefore it's serving a purpose. I
row.
might as well remove.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, I see.
So to remove that, you can either click on this, okay, just right click, right, and click on yes, basically. So you click on remove, and then that is it. So another thing is to make sure that this order date is in date data type. So you right click and you want to click on
Remove column.
format cells. So
Remove column, right?
yeah, click on change type, and you can see the date is being marked, indicating that it is in dates. Indicating that your data set is a date data type, and that is what we need because the other date is a date at which the particular furniture was ordered for. So I said we need to make sure that the order is in that type, right? So to do that, we just highlight this, right? Your order this colon, right click, and then check the data type, the change type, sorry. And as you can see,
Well, I didn't hear what you said.
we need to make sure that
Your
it is in
connection was kind of choppy.
date. So when you check it, you could see that date is marked, indicating that our data is in
Mhm.
a date format.
Date. There.
No. I wanted to just make reference to it, indicating that since it is in this data type, that we do not need
Change
to
the
touch it
date. Yep.
because it's already formatted the way we
So
want
when
it
I
to be
did that,
formatted. So, and
it
what
went to just a
we did
block.
was we highlighted
It went to
this,
like
right? And we right
a
click
column with a it took the dates
and click
away
on change type,
and blocks in the
and you can
middle.
click on date
Is that how
again
it's supposed to be?
if you want to check if it is well formatted, right? Then you click on date, and you could see nothing actually changed because it is previously in the this data type. So uh can you send me a screenshot, a snapshot again of um what you did or what is showing on your screen so I can possibly guide on what to do next?
Yeah, sure. Sure. Let's see. I'll send you.
Alright. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I'm currently watching the video.
I'm sending it over to you now. I just sent you a video.
Okay, that's not supposed to happen. Um, you can undo it by pressing Ctrl Z, or you can click on this particular wait. Let me check my screen to that part. Sorry. You can undo it by clicking on this arrow. So to take it back to where you stopped. But it's previously on a date data type. I'm just trying to show us. So you can check for the shape as well, the shape date. So you can check. Okay, let me move this. Um, check data type. As you can see, the date is being marked, indicating that is a date data type.
Mm-hmm.
The another thing we need to want to do is to calculate the dates to duration. So to do that, we want to go to the add column section. So click on this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, custom colon. Then you want to click on it. Right. Then while it loads, then you want to rename your colon name. As you can see, you have a colon name. Let me widen my screen a little bit more.
Add column, custom
But you can
column.
see I'm moving my mouse
Okay.
on the new column name, which is saying custom, right? You want to rename it to duration, right? So you can then select your shift date minus the order dates, right? Because your product will first be ordered before it gets shipped, right? So you highlight your ship mode, right? You drag
Mm-hmm.
it so the insert, you click on insert, then it's going to come here,
Mm-hmm.
right? Then you click on the subtract, like you type subtract from your keyboard, the minus next to the equal sign, then your order dates, right? Okay, then you click on insert. So as you can see, there's a mark here saying no syntax error has been detected, indicating that we are good to go.
Mm-hmm.
And you click on OK. Then you can see, okay, sorry, there's an error. Okay, you might
Mm-hmm.
want to delete it and do it again. So I'm going to delete my colon. So I'm going to check where the error is coming from. The ship date minus the order date
Well, you hit add column,
minus the order
custom
date.
column, delete custom, duration,
So it might give you error at first,
duration.
but I'm going to show us how
And this is the
can
order
navigate
date
that way
minus the
through. So
ship
I've
date, right?
deleted it and I'm waiting for you to, go ahead and run it. So I
The
can
ship
then
date.
show us what to do.
Insert column minus the order date. Insert column.
Yes. Dates. But we're not getting to that yet. Uh, let me show you how to do it again. Click on add colon, right? Click on custom colon,
Oh, that didn't go through.
right?
Add column, custom
So
column. It's
don't
called
let us rename
duration.
it yet. We are going to do that later. So you write the ship
Where
date. We
data
send to
type.
the insert section
This is going to be a
minus
date,
the
right?
order
Or a
date as
time.
well. Send it, right?
Duration.
Then I click on OK. So it's going to reflect, right? So you can then rename it,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, to duration. Yes. All right.
Date.
So I
Insert
believe okay.
minus
So another thing we are
the
going to
order
do
date.
is You right click and try to change it to an whole number. So you click on this change type as
Yes,
well,
sir.
and you want to click on whole number.
Okay.
Uh,
Yeah, I got the same blocks
no, no, no.
as if
Okay. Can you send me the same probably a video so I can guide us through it as well. Yes.
hold on, the
Yes.
duration column is
So
not working for me. I'm
okay.
typing in custom column, change the name to duration. It's asking me the data type. Yeah, I think we might be looking at two different interfaces because I'm working off a Mac and it looks like you got an HP, so it's gonna be a little different.
Might as well say. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Order
Yeah.
date,
Okay. I've seen it.
insert minus the ship date,
Then
insert.
uh, then I'm going to put my parentheses.
Yeah,
Then I'm
okay.
going to write order underscore dates.
I'm sending you the video now.
Yeah, I'm going to close my parentheses. So as you can see, okay, yeah. Then open your brackets, a curly bracket. Then inside that curly bracket, then we have a square bracket. Then you type order underscore date. Then you close your square bracket and close your curly bracket as well.
Hold on, let me date dot month.
Yes.
All right, hold on. Let me try before you get off this screen. Let me go to add column, customize column, and in my bracket, date dot month, open bracket, then in my close bracket, order underscore date.
Yes. So I'm going to click on this. Okay, it's giving me an error message saying that make sure.
Date dot
So I'm going
month,
to undo what I just did. Okay,
brackets.
so I'm going to rename this as under order
Okay.
underscore dates.
And you have
So
order
this
date, right?
gives me
Selected.
this is why there's an error is that when you are writing your code or whatever it is you are doing, um you do not want to include a space in between your colon. Even when you get to MySQL and the likes of them, you do not want to include a space. It will return an error message, and our colon is order date without a space and without an underscore, sorry. And what we did, we added an underscore to it, so that's why it's brought an error message and saying it is not recognized. So we are going to redo what we did. Click on custom colon, then you're going to type again date dot month, Then you can even go to this other dates, sorry, other dates, and insert it. Okay, there's still a space bar in between that other dates. We need to make sure that there is no space bar in between the other dates. So going to rename it again. Rename this. Okay. Uh, I'm coming. Because I think that is because of the color of the header is black. So I will just probably send a picture on WhatsApp so you can see it a clearer view of what I'm doing with the underscore
Your
on
screen is too
dates.
blurry. Stanley, your screen is really blurry. I can't make out anything on your screen.
Okay, so I'm going to write some caption.
Yeah, it does because I can't see. Everything is blurry. Like it wants to load, but it's not loaded all the way. Everything is blurry.
So I sent you a picture on your WhatsApp. So I'm going to also make a video on this custom color as well. So I'm going to write date.month. Then I'm going to put my curly brackets, then my square bracket as well. Then order underscore dates. I'm going to close my bracket. So as you can see, it's saying no errors found. Then I'm going to click on OK. So I've sent you the video. I'm sending the video in your WhatsApp as well. Okay, still bringing me an error message.
Uh,
Saying make sure it's spelled correctly. I'm going to remove it. The best way
columns.
to do it is just use a function. That is after we are done with the Power Query. You can then use a function to extract only
Order
the
date.
month. So I'm sending a video of what I did now. Yeah, I've sent it. Although it still brought out an error because we're trying to tweak our way around it. So yes, Ye- yes, you get a drop down. But
So when I write date in custom column, right? I write DATE. I get the drop down. If I hit dot, I don't have the drop down for
you can
typing.
actually type the
I don't have
month
the drop down. I don't
manually.
have the drop down for typing in
And
month
let's see if it's going to
to complete the
reflect.
formula. I have a highlighted date dot, and then month is
Yeah,
white. So there's
it
no
got
other
that error
highlight
for
in
me
your
too as well.
video.
So we are going to do
As
that
soon as
when
you
we are
start
done with the
typing
Power
in
Query. We'll do
month,
that manually.
it pops up
Using
with a
the
drop
either
out.
text function
It
or
pops
whatever
up with a
function
drop
that
down
is
menu.
available to
There's
that.
no drop down menu that happens for me.
So, okay, in that case, we are moving this,
You
right?
understand?
And
Yeah.
print at to expand my
Nah, it
screen
came up
higher than
error.
this. Then we are approaching the final part. We'll go to the profits column. We want to change it as dollars. So you right click. Yes. Um, are you having any issue with probably can just forward me a screenshot or
Then change type to currency. Man, is this just his computer? Everything is
yes,
popping up,
so you
man,
can see a dollar
crazy on this
icon
computer.
at the
Like,
top of the
what's going
heading,
on?
indicating that's already in dollars.
Change type.
So then do you want me to
Okay,
redo it?
here we go.
Click on change type.
Okay, profit, change type, currency. Okay.
Oh
Put this. Okay,
yeah,
load screen.
probably it's
Okay.
just loading. Probably it's just trying to
All
load
right.
the outputs.
Yeah, I've done here
Then the
that
duration as well. We
the
want to change
squares
it to an
pop
O
up and
number.
sometimes they
So you
stay
right
there.
click,
Remember in the
right?
video I sent you that it
And
just
we want to
the data just went to
change type, right,
sometimes the
to an O
squares will pop
number.
up and they'll stay there, or sometimes they'll
So you
pop
can
up and
see
then they'll take a little
no
while for them to
longer
transfer over to whatever
decimals as well.
something else they're supposed to be.
So
Right,
discount as well. We want to change it to a percentage.
right.
Percentage discount. So you right click and change type as well. So you want the percentage. So you've gotten 45% discount, 20%
Uh-huh.
discount, 50% discount, and so on and so forth. So we are
Mm-hmm.
done with our data cleaning. So you click
Mm-hmm.
on the home, like the home section, right? And you click on close and load, right?
Image.
So I'm going to click it on
Okay.
yes. Yeah, close and load, and you click on it.
Right.
Then it's going to take a while to load, the output. So
Click home,
still
close,
loading.
and load.
Depending on how fast your
Okay.
laptop RAM is, because it uses the system RAM.
Excel data,
So
getting
if you have a
data.
fast processor, you are more likely to get a result faster than someone who is using a low RAM and a low processor. So I'm going to stop my video here. Okay,
Okay.
so this is all on Power Query. So I might as well send some classworks for us to practice on as well on Power Query. Because let me ask a question as well. Between this Power Query and the normal manual data cleaning that we did 2 days ago, which one do you prefer?
Right. I prefer maybe just because I had more issues with this. The other one was kind of just, a little bit more taxing, but just like you went into it and you seen you can go into the document and you can change the effects right then and there. Maybe it's the same thing, right? Essentially, it's the same thing, but the process of doing that on the actual Excel sheet,
Yeah, actually.
it just stuck a little
But
bit better
well,
for
that
me.
is your
This
opinion,
right
though.
here is probably more
With time,
convenient
actually, you
because
get
you
to
already
like
loading,
Power
like
Query
you're
because
editing
it
it
saves you a lot
before you
of
get
time.
the information loaded
I
on
can't
Excel.
force it to,
But because
yeah,
it's a new step, I don't know. I don't know if this way is, I find
yeah, exactly.
familiarity in it. I just
And the
do it
faster it
more.
is,
But the other way
the
would just
more
it seemed a little bit more
likely
easier
it
to
is for you to
understand because it was
encounter
maybe because it was just
an
right in your
error
face,
or
everything was just
something
right there.
that you probably did wrong that you thought you did right as well. It can happen. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, it's still, I can still edit it. Yeah, and we are going to do the
Yeah, that's what I
extract
said.
our
Like
month right
this
now.
way,
So
this way it may
okay,
seem a
I
little bit
just want to save my.
faster if you're used to it. Right. Right. But you can still edit it once it's uh put on your okay, yeah.